Hi fam, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you guys my DIY avocado deep conditioning mask. So I'm going to be deep conditioning my daughter's hair, bouncing back to life, the curls popping. So you will need only simple ingredients that you already have in your kitchen. So without wasting time guys, let's get right into the video and get started. Okay, so for the avocado mask, we're going to need some avocado, of course, and avocado oil. Make sure it is pure and organic avocado oil, and you're going to need some natural yogurt, absolutely 100% natural, and also you're going to need some organic honey. So I'm using raw organic honey for this. So these are the ingredients that I am going to be using for this avocado hair mask. So split up the avocado in the middle and just slide and remove the corn easily like that. And I am going to cut it in the middle one more time so I get 4 halves. This way it's easier for you to get all your avocado flesh out. So once you have them like this is how I take it off. You see, so you have everything out, nothing wasted. Next, I'm going to add in the yogurt. As I said earlier on, make sure it is organic yogurt, not sweetened or anything. Okay, so I've just rinsed the spoon so I can scoop out some honey, about a tablespoon. Okay, next I'm going to add in some avocado oil. So I'm just gonna eyeball it like around 3 tablespoons of avocado oil. I don't want to use the spoon because I am trying not to waste it. So this is about 3 tablespoons of avocado oil. I'm just gonna close it and blend. Okay, so now we have everything blended. I'm just gonna go in and pour it into the glass bowl. So yeah, she's here, and as you can see guys, the hair is pretty much frizzy, dry, and it just needs some TLC. Absolutely. I'm going to shampoo her hair and then we will be right back to apply the mask. All right. Alright, so we've just finished washing the hair and I am now going to apply the avocado mask to her hair. So I'm going to start applying from the roots, working my way down to the ends. And I'm going to be working. I'm going to apply this by portion. get a bit messy, but it's okay, that's part of the process. Just gonna throw the towel into the laundry afterwards. Okay guys, so I have saturated the mask all over the hair, scalp and strands, and now I am just going to wrap some saran wrap around it just to generate some heat naturally and allow that to steam in there. And I'm going to leave it on for like 30 minutes, and then we're going to rinse it out, and that should do the job. So she's not gonna get bored because she's watching her favorite videos on YouTube. So she's just gonna sit there and enjoy her videos. Her hair is all wrapped up, and I'm now going to add her shower cap over it, just so the steaming process goes faster. And now that she has her beautiful unicorn shower cap on, I am going to tie it up with her headscarf as well. So I am adding the scarf so that it acts as a protective layer, so it's going to catch all the moisture that managed to drip outside of the saran wrap. She's all wrapped up, and that is gonna sit for about 30 minutes, and we will be back to wash it out. Alright guys, so it's been about 30 minutes and we are now going to rinse the hair out. So I have her sitting down on this bench because standing up while detangling and stuff like that, especially when I wash my hair on my wash days, I need to sit down because I'm going to spend more than an hour under the shower trying to detangle my hair, and sometimes my feet get numb just from standing for so long under the shower. So sitting down is absolutely a great option. Okay, so make sure when you're first starting off to rinse out the avocado mask, make sure the water is cold. I mean, not cold, lukewarm, but not hot, okay? Because hot water is just going to cook the avocado and you are going to have chunks in your hair. Avocado is food, and when it hits hot water, it's going to cook, okay? So start off with lukewarm water, okay? Her hair is so defined and her curls are popping. The hair is shiny. Just gonna use a white tooth comb to start with. Amazing. Like, just look at how her curls are popping and how defined and detangled her hair is. And this is all we got from shedding. So it's right here. I don't know if you can see, but this is all we got. So this was great, okay? I think it's So now I'm going to use a tangle teaser just to remove any tiny knots that's maybe left in there, but the hair is looking really shiny. I think it's all cleaned. And this is, do you all see how shiny the hair looks and just defined without any product at all? This is what the hair looks like right now without any product. So I highly recommend the avocado hair mask, guys. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and share. And I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.